Welcome to the installation video for the 5PD pull-down shelf. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit, a 3/32 inch bit, and a 1/4 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a 7/16 inch wrench, tape measure, bubble level, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts. The 5PD series comes in 2 sizes, with wired or solid bottom shelves, base brackets, side frames, a handle, and synchronizer bar. You will also find the following fittings: 1/4 by 1 1/4 inch bolts, cap nuts, washers, M5 by 12 mm panhead screws, wood screws, M4 by 6 mm screws, M5 by 12 mm flathead screws, and logo covers. The 5PD pull-down shelf is designed to accommodate a range of cabinet widths. Installation is the same for both 24 and 36 inch models. If you prefer to side mount, skip this step. To bottom mount, measure 2 1/8 inches from the front edge of the cabinet to the center of the first hole. For face frame applications such as ours, you may need to leave a slight gap between the side wall and the bottom bracket in order for the front screws to clear the face frame. We will cover this step momentarily. For frameless applications, the measurements are the same. However, place the bottom bracket flush against the side wall. For heavy applications, it is recommended to add the 1/4 by 1 1/4 inch bolts up through the cabinet floor. Measure 3 3/8 inch from the edge of the face frame to the center of the oblong hole. From that point, measure 3 25/32 to the next hole. Transfer those dimensions to the bottom of the cabinet and pre-drill with your 1/4 inch bit. Drill the bolts through the bottom of the cabinet. Use your 7/16 inch wrench to secure the bracket with the washers and cap nuts. Now pre-drill the pilot holes with the 3/32 inch bit. Secure the base brackets even further using the wood screws. Repeat on the other side. For side mounting, place the base bracket at a minimum 1/2 inch up from the cabinet floor. Measure 2 inches back from the front edge of the cabinet to the center of the first hole. A scab board may be required when side mounting in a face frame cabinet. It depends upon your face frame width and hinge style. Ensure the bracket is level and mark 5 side holes with your pencil. Pre-drill the pilot holes with the 3/32 inch bit and secure using the wood screws. For side mounting in a frameless cabinet, mount the bracket flush against the side wall. Next, attach the baskets to the side frames using the M4 by 6 mm screws. Secure the handle to the side frames using the M5 by 12 mm panhead screws. The screws may already be attached to the side brackets and handle. Mount the assembly to the base brackets. The back of each side frame should engage with the back of each base bracket. Once in place, secure with the M4 by 6 mm screws. Attach the logo covers to the front frame assembly to conceal the screws. Attach the synchronizer bar to the rear frame arms by tilting the bar at an angle and sliding it down the main body from front to back. Secure in place using the M5 by 12 mm flathead screws. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.